At our office, we believe in creating patients for life. From the moment you call our office, our focus is on providing you with expert hearing health care in a professional environment. During the initial appointment, we will begin with an interview which will help us assess and understand the hearing and tinnitus or ringing symptoms you have been experiencing. Then we will complete a series of hearing tests to help us determine the type and degree of hearing loss. Once all the necessary hearing tests have been completed, we will explain in detail the test findings as well as describe the personal implications to you. Various hearing technology options will be presented based on the specific test findings as well as your unique lifestyle and communication needs. I can assure you that together we will find the best solution for your hearing needs.